Is your Chevy Tahoe failing to launch Apple CarPlay, leaving you stuck with the stock radio interface? Statistically, 80% of infotainment connection issues are solved without ever visiting a dealership. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by swapping your cable for a certified one and checking your phone port for pocket lint. Software conflicts are common, so verify your iOS is updated and screen time restrictions aren't blocking the car. If that fails, delete the vehicle profile from your phone and perform a hard reset on the head unit. Most issues are user-side, but if the USB port itself is damaged, that is a shop-level repair. You can save hundreds in diagnostic fees by exhausting these home troubleshooting steps first. If you are advanced, check your cabin fuses and look for official software updates through the Tahoe menu. Keep a high-quality cable and a basic scan tool in your glove box for future connectivity troubleshooting. Remember that your connection is only as reliable as the cable you use. If your CarPlay is back online, hit that subscribe button for more Tahoe troubleshooting guides.